this afternoon. Let's talk a little bit of the broader picture and a bit of strategy.
And we're starting to keep us trying to value
Joining Managing Director at Richmond Asset Management.
We're joined now by Bibby,
CEO and CIO. Richmond Asset Management is our guest for the rest of the show.
Here to help us make sense of these markets is Bibby, Managing Director, Richmond Asset Management, joining us live.
Every week we do analysis on 46 world markets for momentum.
And how do you know when to deploy your cash and buy back in?
You know I'm an expert in technical analysis, so I look for those trends. My system has outperformed the international benchmark, the Morgan Stanley World Index, and the average managed fund by 1,000% over an 8-year period. And where my focus has been mainly in the last year is analysing companies where I can rely on the figures which have very strong projected earnings growth by a consensus of analysts against their PE ratio.
And Richmond's fund, by the way, has returned an impressive 392% since its inception.
Most of the return is by being 31% of the time in cash. I guess you can see why I'm asked to speak regularly on TV, such as CNBC and BBC, Bloomberg, India TV, Radio Hong Kong, and then Radio I on Dubai. When we do momentum and we study 46 world markets in sectors, one of the top sectors right now is the internet space. So whether it's the stock market or whether it's currencies or whether it's the property scene, you know, we have to look at what's happening. What is the reality in the market? And so as we see the markets potentially basing, then you're going to see gold potentially topping. Currencies breaking to the upside. So across the board, we have too many things to buy. So the traffic light system that we have has gone from maybe amber and caution to green. So right now we would be fully invested. Using my system, my clients have consistently been able to get their funds out of the market quickly. I gave a sell on Apple at 655, and I don't know anyone else has given a sell yet. The key to making long-term returns is not about how much you make when you're right, but how little you lose when you're wrong. But fortunes are made in these scenarios right now. But you have to know how to follow those trends and how to protect yourself with stop losses.
Okay.
If you're the smartest guy in the room, you can't make any money. You see where the herd's going and you jump on that train and follow it.